I am Manjusha Sagroikar from Sarjudevi Bikulal Baruka Arya Kanya Vidyalay Hingoli. I was co co-mentor of EVO from EVO group, and now also I am going to continue this my work in teachers mentoring project. I am working with Dr. Richard Smith and with his team, and my mentor is Mariana Serra, and Suchita also working with Lydia ma'am. And this is our first meeting, first introductory part, and what you have to do in this upcoming year. We are introducing you here, and in my team there are so many teachers, but here I could see Swati Ahire. She is a secondary teacher. She is a chess moderator, very active person, and techno savvy. She has created lots of ELT material for secondary teachers and for her school students also. Then I could see here Chanki Kumar Shahane sir. He is from Hingoli. He is also very active teacher and techno savvy, talented, and I think he is a tech coordinator working with our Tejas group. Then I could see here Chitra Rekha Salunke. She is from Panvel. She has achieved excellent prizes in innovative teachers award competition, and she is also one of the innovative teachers from Maharashtra. Then Hemlata Salunke is there. Pratibha Jadhav Tribhuvan, she is also from our Tejas group, and very active personality. And I am knowing her since so many years. Then yes, this is my team. Along with that, there are so many teachers, but they could not join today as they were busy whole day in their online work. So for them, I will arrange tomorrow one-to-one WhatsApp meeting and share with them what happened here. Thank you very much, Suchita. Then please proceed further.
Okay, one more participant. Please, I would ask iPad to rename yourself so that we can address you. iPad.
It's me only, ma'am, Ajita. The same problem is again here. I can't hear anything from the mobile, so I have connected with this.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. We must know who is over there. And let me tell you that I am recording this session. So whatever is being discussed over here would be recorded. So it's my duty to tell you in advance that we are on recording mode. So if you have any objections or if you want to not to be on the recording mode, so please let me know. Uh, so, okay. I think I would be busy in entering the people. Yes. So today's agenda would be that we are going to interview each other. So I had shared a Google Classroom link with you all, and you might have read it in advance, and I had given you some suggestions as well. So before going or diving deep into it, I would like to give you a demo, like Manjusha and I. Manjusha, this is an unplanned thing that I didn't tell you before because I want you to be new. Like, I don't want to give you an intimation that I would interview you and you are going to interview me. So this would be a
Okay,
live
okay,
and
no
fresh
problem.
experience. Yes. So I just gave you the hint that we would arrange a demo. So this is a demo. So we would be short enough. We would be discussing the question number 2, so that everybody would have the clear idea that how the question should be put forth, how to take the notes, and how to listen attentively. So before diving in, I would share you the template which I had shared with you. Okay, just give me a second.
Even me too also, I want to share
Just a minute, give me a second. Yeah. Share screen. So can you see my screen now?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
these are the mentoring skills. For our first session, we are going to think for a 2 minutes or for 1 minute that where would you rate yourself? Just these are 3 questions. I want you to read them. The first, and you have to rate yourself 1, 2, 3, 4. The first is new to me, and the fourth grade would be highly developed. Okay, and these are the 3 questions. I want you to read them. I give you 2 minutes. It's 8:58. We will begin at 9. Just 2 minutes. Please serve yourself. If you have any questions, please use the chat box or raise your hand. Okay, so 2 minutes are over. So these are the 3 questions. I want you to rate yourself. It's a personal thing, so we are not going to discuss about it. It's you know what are these skills and where you are right now. For example, providing the mentoring support in general to your colleagues or to your tag teachers or your ETF members, or to whichever teacher group you work with. Okay, so it's okay if you score yourself or rate yourself 1, and it's very much appreciable if you give yourself a grade 4. Okay, engaging in supporting a non-judgmental conversation. Engage teachers to do teacher research. Okay, so these are the few things I want you to ponder over for a few minutes. Now, with these are the questions which I had shared with you. Okay, Abhijit, sorry, sir. Let me admit him. Okay, so these are the questions I shared with you. So the aim. Exactly. Muhammad Azharuddin Qazi. So the aim of this session is to establish a good relationship, to get difficulties and problems out in the open and out of the way, to move on to positives and establish some areas of overall achievement. So these are the aims of our demo. So we would be brief, and we would practice question number 2 to give you an idea that how the question is asked, how can we ask. Let me connect my PC. So how we can ask the probing question, elicitation questions, explanatory questions, how we are going to support our teachers, our mentees to breathe out everything possible which can help him or her to do his or her best. Okay, so we would be discussing question number 2, but in the breakout rooms you would be discussing all the 3 questions as far as possible. Let us see how time permits us. Okay, so Manjusha ma'am, shall we start?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so what role you would
Can you
like
hear
to...
me clearly?
Yeah, I can. So what role you
I
would
would,
like to...
yes, yes, I would like to observe the task in the room. And yes, and
Would you like to be
do
my
you
mentee or would you
want to
like to
take
be my...
conduct a demo for
with you?
this?
Yeah. For question number 2,
Yes, yes,
for 10
no,
minutes,
yes,
it's
no
not.
problem.
Okay, so
Yes,
what role you would prefer?
huh.
Mentee or mentor?
First of all, I would like to be your mentee. Then after that, we will exchange our roles. Okay.
No, only one turn is going to be there because it's a demo. So they would,
Okay.
in the
Then
breakout
no,
rooms, they
no
would do that.
problem. Any role as you like. Any role. Now you are
Okay.
hosting the meeting, so I prefer to be a mentee of you.
Oh, so nice of you. Yes, बड़ी दीदी ऐसी होती है, दूसरों को चांस देती है. Thank you, Manjusha.
Yes.
Okay, so what is your name? What is your... Like, I'm your mentor, you're my mentee. So, Sagroekar madam, please introduce yourself. What is your
I am
name,
Manjusha
madam?
Sagroikar.
Okay.
I am Manjusha Sagroikar from Hingoli.
Okay, Manjusha madam, I know your context, which we had discussed just few minutes back. And now I would like to listen, like, what are your main problems and difficulties in this pandemic year? Yeah,
Yes.
pandemic
First of
situation.
all, okay. Is my voice is echoing?
No, you are quite audible.
During pandemic period, the most problem I was facing with I lost the connectivity with my students, with my school.
How? So
There was no connection, no communication.
And what did you like? What difficulties other than this you had faced, and what you have done to overcome it?
In the month of May, I had chance to go to the school. Then I collected the phone numbers, WhatsApp numbers of my students. Then communicated them on phone, form a WhatsApp group, and started teaching on WhatsApp. And those who were not participating in group discussion or those who were not active on WhatsApp group, I used to send SMS to them and communicate on phone call and try to understand their problem, why they were not joining classes in WhatsApp group.
Okay, so your main difficulty was to reach up to the learners or to teach them?
The main difficulty was I lost the communication, connectivity with my students, even online also. Only few students join in my WhatsApp group. There are 100 students in my class, and I could only communicate with only 5. And this was very challenging situation for me.
So I mean to say the connectivity for the purpose of reaching to the learners, and the purpose is
Yes,
to
yes,
teach them online or
yes,
offline.
yes.
So what mode you selected, like online or offline, or the mixture of it?
Mixture of it. I use the
Ah,
mixture of it because my students are from rural area. So many
Bluetooth
students
device is ready to pair.
don't have Android mobiles, and then how could they join? So I used to on phone and communicate them what is, and started teaching on phone also. And then I have tried to give them some offline material whenever they come to the city, visit the city. Then I communicate with them offline also.
okay, you just said that whenever they visit the city, so how would you come to know that they are visiting the city or they are in the city?
On phone, on phone.
Okay,
They
so
contacted me on phone.
huh. Okay, so how many students you can reach?
Out of 100, I could reach 60 students.
Okay, okay. So this was the demo. Thank you, Manjusha madam. Uh,
Yes, thank you, Suchita.
yes, I abruptly. Okay, I did the session abruptly because we have only 5 minutes left with us. But I would be extending this meeting. I would share you one more link so that you can join, and we would be practicing in breakout rooms that time. Okay. So here, what we had discussed. Okay, Manjusha ma'am, together we would discuss key what things as a mentor I had shown over here. So can you tell me that how effective mentoring I had done over here? What qualities as a mentor I can execute over here? I think Manjusha ma'am is not online somehow. Okay, so here I had tried to ask her as many questions as I can to know in detail what her problems are. Sometimes she gave me half of the information, sometimes she was abrupt on a coach, sometimes I couldn't understand what she was saying. So I must know what I exactly want from her, because the question is that what were her difficulties in the pandemic and what efforts she did to overcome those. Okay, so not only she had tried to be online, she again tried to be offline. She said the key SMSs were there. No, first of all, she said no connectivity. Then she comes to say that she had tried to make a WhatsApp group. Then she had sent them the SMS. You see, here are some things which are misleading. Okay, so when you would be mentoring your teachers, you would get the information that would be misleading or intervened in each other. So you have to be very precise about it. So here I had asked her as many questions as I can so that I can get a clear picture that what she is exactly facing the problems of and what she has done. Not only she has done 1, 2, or 3, but there are more than 3 or 4 ways she had reached to her learners. So these are all important points, and as you were seeing on your screen, I was taking the notes, running notes. So paper and pen is always ready. I had started the recording, so I can go through the recording also. So when you would be mentoring your teachers, you have to be attentive enough. Simultaneously, I was recording, I was noting down, I was entering and meeting the persons. I was looking at the chat box also. So as a mentor, you need to be multitasker. You would be conducting a group of teachers and they would have different demands. They might have some problems. They might be coming in, they might be going off, they might be in the waiting room, there is the chat box going on. So you need to cater all these things. You have to be multi attentive. Okay, so this was a brief demo. I'm sure this is 0.01% of what the mentor is. Okay, but the time is running out, so that I take the session abruptly enough. Very soon, like in 2 minutes, I will be sharing you one more link. Okay. So any questions from your side? Yeah, Manjusha, you're right. This is a first acquaintance, it's a first meeting, and in the first meeting, we don't get much information, and we are not trained mentors yet. So for the first, in the first meeting, the teachers are not responsive. They don't open up. They don't say everything about their efforts, or they miss it somehow in the moment, frantic of moment. They forget it to tell you. So that's why I had asked you to prepare your answers. So when in the breakout rooms you would be discussing with each other, you are ready that what exactly the other person is going to ask you and what details you can give him or her. Is that clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you are going to ask them the questions. 3 types of questions are there. Elicitation questions, probing questions, explanatory questions, or you can paraphrase their statement. तुम्ही असंच म्हणाला होतात का? So it is paraphrasing, repeating the sentence, paraphrasing. So you can paraphrase the sentences. That is also a type of question. So in the breakout rooms, we will meet. I have less than 1 minute in my hand. So I end this meeting and send you one more link. So don't wait away. Be in touch. Okay.